Hello students. Students, this year due to the pandemic disease which is spreading around the world, everybody is suffering through it. And keeping these things into mind, the teachers have also thought of making the students to keep in the benefit. And accordingly, the CBSE has taken the initiative to reduce some of the portion of your syllabus so that the students, especially from 9 to 12, can benefit that. Children, today I am going to discuss about the deleted topics of some subjects, especially for the commerce stream students. I am going to discuss English, common subject for everybody, and accountancy, business studies and economics also, so that all the students can benefit. I am going to talk first about English. Children, your English question paper is designed into 3 parts: reading, writing and literature. First, let us talk about the deleted topics from reading. In reading, the topic which is deleted is summary writing and note making. Now coming up to writing section. In writing section, 2 important topics, speech and debate, both have been deleted. And then few letters have also been deleted. Letter of complaint, inquiry letter and placement of order. All these 3 letters have been deleted. Now, moving on to the literature portion. You have 2 books in literature, Flamingo and Vistas. From Flamingo, 3 chapters have been deleted: Poets and Pancakes, The Interview and Going Places. There is one poem also from the same book which has been deleted, and that is The Roadside Stand. Now, let us move on to the next book, and that is Vistas. From that book, children, again 3 chapters have been deleted. First chapter is The Tiger King. Second is The Journey to the End of the Earth. And the last topic which have been deleted from your syllabus is The Memories of the Child. Thank you. Now moving on to the next subject, children, that is business studies. Some topics have been deleted from this subject also, but make sure in English the complete chapter is deleted, the complete topic is deleted, but in 2 other subjects it is not so. In other subjects, out of the chapter, some important topics have been deleted. So kindly note down accordingly. Let us talk chapter wise. Chapter from business studies is business environment, and from that chapter the topic which is deleted is demonetization and its concept. Then impact of government policy, changes on business with special reference to liberalization, privatization and globalization in India. This is being deleted. Now moving on to the next chapter, planning. From this, single use and standing plans, objectives, policies, procedure, method, rule, budget and program have been deleted. Now, next is organization. From this chapter, the deleted topics are formal and informal organization concept. Now, next is staffing. From this chapter, staffing is a part of human resource management and its concept have been deleted. Let us move on to the next chapter, children, that is directing. From this chapter, barriers to effective communication, how to overcome the barriers, these 2 topics have been deleted. Now, next chapter, that is controlling. From this chapter, relationship between planning and controlling, this topic have been deleted. Now, There are 2 books into business studies. I just talked about the first book, that is Principle and Functions of Management. Now let us talk about the second book, that is Business Finance and Marketing. Or you can say part A and B. Now let us talk about the part B, Business Finance and Marketing. From this, the first chapter is marketing, and from this chapter, the topic which is being deleted is physical distribution, components and channels of distribution. Now, the next chapter, and that is the last chapter, that is consumer protection. From this chapter, the topic which have been deleted is importance of consumer protection, consumer awareness, role of consumer organizations, and non-governmental organizations have been deleted. Thank you, children. Children, let us talk about the next chapter and next topic, that is economics. Now, from economics also, some topics have been deleted. Economics is also divided into 2 parts, part A and part B. First is your introductory macroeconomics. From that, let us talk chapter wise now. Unit 2, money and banking. From this chapter, the topics which have been deleted are control of credit through bank rate, CRR, SLR, repo rate and reverse repo rate, open market operations, margin requirement. These are the topics which have been deleted. Now, another chapter, that is balance of payments. From this chapter, some topics have been deleted, and the deleted topics are balance of payments, deficit meaning, and the next topic is determination of exchange rate in a free market. I hope you're noting it down. Now, coming up to the next part of economics, part B, or you can say the other book of economics, that is Indian Economic Development. From this, there is one chapter, that is current challenges facing Indian economy. From this, the topics which have been deleted are growth of education sector in India, alternative farming and organic farming. These are the topics which have been deleted. Thank you, children. Now, children, important topic from accountancy, one of the major subject for the business studies, commerce stream, and you can say that the students who wants to appear into commerce has effective efficiency in accountancy for them. Now, from accountancy also, children, there are certain topics which have been deleted. Again, the same thing is there, that the complete chapter has not been deleted, the portion of that chapter has been deleted, and I am going to read it accordingly so that you can mark it. Now, part A, that is accounting for non-profit organization, partnership firms and companies. And then we have unit 2, accounting for partnership firms. From these, I am going to read down the subtopics which have been deleted.
Start.
Accounting for partnership firms, that is reconstitutions and dissolutions. Now, admission of a partner, one of important topic. It says that adjustment of capital accounts and preparation of balance sheet is the topic which have been deleted. Now, the next topic, that is retirement and death of a partner. From this also, adjustment of capital account, preparation of loan account of the retiring partner. And then one more topic, preparation of deceased partner's capital account and his executor's account have been deleted. Now, unit 3, that is accounting for companies. From this, accounting for debentures is one topic, and from this also one subtopic, redemption of debentures methods, lump sum draws of loans have been deleted. Now, there is some project work also. I am going to read it down the same for you children. so that you can note down that also. From the project work, from session 2020 to 2021, that is, we are talking about this session which you are facing, there would be only one project, specific, one project to be prepared. And this, of course, will be told to you by your teacher that which particular specific topic you're going to prepare for your project work. So this was all complete information about your deleted subjects, topics and subtopics accordingly I have given. Thank you, children.